Most startups fail because they overcomplicate things and spend more money than they need to. I've seen people run profitable businesses from their spare bedroom with just one machine. Some of these setups cost less than a new phone, yet generate steady income. Today, I'm sharing 7 one-person machines to start a real business in a small space in 2025. Number 7. Heat press machine. Custom printing has become one of the easiest ways to start a business with low upfront costs, and a heat press machine is at the center of it all. With this tool, you can transfer high-quality designs onto t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, and even items like mouse pads or pillow covers. The process is straightforward. Place the garment, set the transfer sheet, and press. In just a few minutes, you have a professional-looking product ready for sale. Models like the free Sub 29x38 Auto Heat Press or the manual t-shirt press give plenty of flexibility depending on budget and production needs. The real advantage lies in customization. Businesses, schools, sports teams, and individuals constantly look for unique items with logos, slogans, or personalized graphics. Each product can sell for $15 to $50, and once the machine is paid for, most of the revenue goes straight into profit. At a starting cost of around $95 to $380, it's an affordable entry point compared to other equipment. Add in the fact that suppliers often offer logo or packaging customization for bulk orders, and you have a ready-made opportunity to create your own brand. A heat press is a small investment with the potential for a highly rewarding business. Number 6. Cobra 3 Max Desktop 3D Printer. Speed and versatility make this machine a strong choice for anyone looking to build a profitable small-scale business. The AnyCubic Cobra 3 Max can print at an impressive 600 millimeters per second, which means projects that once took hours can now be completed in a fraction of the time. With the ability to handle multiple filament types such as ABS, PLA, and PETG, it opens the door to producing everything from functional prototypes to creative decorative pieces. Automatic leveling keeps the process smooth, and the quiet operation makes it easy to run in a home or office environment. On the business side, this printer is ideal for offering custom 3D printing services. Small batch prototypes for startups, unique educational models for schools, or even personalized home decor can all be produced with a single machine. Each print job has the potential to bring in $20 to $100 depending on complexity and material used. The entry price of around $650 makes it accessible, yet the earning potential is significant if marketed well. With growing demand for custom and rapid production, the AnyCubic Cobra 3 Max stands out as a tool that can quickly turn a creative idea into a steady source of income. Number 5. Single Head Embroidery Machine. Turning plain fabric into high-value products becomes effortless with a computerized embroidery machine. Equipped with multiple needles, usually ranging from 9 to 15, this system allows for complex and colorful designs to be stitched with speed and accuracy. Automatic thread trimming, pattern memory, and easy-to-use controls make the process smooth even for beginners. Built for professional output, it delivers the polished finish customers expect from branded apparel and custom items. From a business angle, embroidery services are always in demand. Businesses need logos on uniforms, schools want emblems on caps, and individuals look for personalized gifts or monogrammed items. With each embroidered piece selling between $20 and $150 depending on the design and garment, revenue adds up quickly. The initial investment of around $2,250 to $3,299 can be recovered within months if marketed effectively. Offering embroidery on t-shirts, bags, caps, and promotional merchandise sets you apart from standard printing businesses, since embroidery often carries a premium feel. A single operator can manage the entire process, making it perfect for a one-person setup. This machine brings together creativity and professionalism, turning everyday textiles into profitable, customized products. Number 4. Vinyl Cutter Plotter. Few machines can open as many creative doors as a vinyl cutter plotter. With cutting forces up to 2,000 grams and precise auto contour cutting, this tool makes professional stickers, decals, and signage with sharp accuracy. The large touchscreen makes operations simple, while features like auto-calibration, repeat cutting, and Wi-Fi connectivity give it a modern edge. Built with an aluminum alloy housing and steel axes, it's sturdy enough for regular use while still being manageable for a single operator. From a business perspective, this machine has massive potential. Custom vinyl work is in constant demand for shop windows, vehicles, laptops, promotional events, and even home decor. Each project can bring in $10 to $80 per square foot depending on design and installation, which makes returns quick compared to the $420 to $820 purchase price. Since it can handle any shape or mark point with its camera system, you're not limited to standard designs. Offering personalized graphics for small businesses, local sports teams, or even individual customers can quickly become a steady income stream. A vinyl cutter plotter combines creative flexibility with strong profit margins, making it a smart choice for a one-person small space business. Number 3. AtomStack P1 Laser Engraver. This compact desktop engraver packs a surprising amount of power for its size. With a 5-watt blue light diode laser, it can etch clean and precise designs onto wood, acrylic, leather, phone cases, and even coated metals. The setup is simple, and since the machine is designed with safety covers and smart controls, it's easy for one person to manage from start to finish. Measuring around 30 centimeters by 40 centimeters, it fits neatly on a desk, making it perfect for small spaces such as home workshops or studios. The real value lies in its business potential. Personalized gifts, custom jewelry engravings, and branded wooden items are in high demand, especially for online shops and local craft markets. Customers often pay between $50 and $200 for a single custom project, meaning even a few orders per week can cover costs quickly. With prices starting at about $170 on Alibaba and going up to $2,000 for higher-powered models like the Smart Laser Cutter 3 watts, 5 watts, or 10 watts, there's flexibility depending on your budget and scale of work. The AtomStack P1 makes it possible to turn creativity into a steady income stream without needing a large workshop or extra staff. Number 2. Powder Packaging Machine. Packaging powders by hand is messy, slow, and far from efficient. This machine solves those problems with a screw unloader system that feeds directly into the bag, reducing dust and keeping the process clean. It's designed to handle a wide range of powders, from food ingredients like starch and spices to cosmetics, chemicals, or even powdered pesticides. Compatibility with different bag types such as zip bags and stand-up pouches adds flexibility, making it possible to serve multiple markets with one setup. The business opportunities here are strong. Packaged food products are in high demand, especially spices, protein powders, and baking ingredients. Cosmetic powders like face masks or herbal blends can also be packaged neatly for retail or online sales. Each bag packaged with this machine not only saves time but also raises the level of professionalism that buyers expect. With a price of around $2,089 to $2,289 depending on quantity, the machine pays for itself once steady orders come in. Margins on packaged powders are often significant, and with efficient operation, hundreds of units can be prepared in a day by one person. For anyone aiming to turn raw powders into branded, market-ready products, this machine offers both practicality and profitability. Number 1. Mini Laser Marking Machine. Precision and portability come together in this compact fiber laser marker. Designed for engraving on metals and other hard surfaces, it's powerful enough to handle industrial tasks, yet small enough to be operated comfortably by one person. With its easy-to-use controls, you can quickly add barcodes, logos, serial numbers, or custom designs without complicated setup. The handheld format makes it practical in workshops, offices, and even on-site jobs where larger machines would be difficult to manage. From a business standpoint, this tool creates valuable opportunities in both industrial and consumer markets. Factories often need permanent part identification, while small businesses and individuals look for personalization on jewelry, tools, or branded merchandise. Each marking job can bring in $25 to $100 depending on the material and complexity. With a purchase price ranging between $1,480 and $1,980, it's an investment that can be recovered quickly with consistent work. Because the process is fast and requires minimal labor, even a single operator can handle multiple orders in a day. For anyone seeking a portable machine that combines durability, accuracy, and profitability, the Cahier Laser handheld laser marker delivers a strong balance of practicality and earning potential. It's amazing how one compact machine can create so much opportunity for income and independence. If you had to pick just one, which of these would you start with today? Comment below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more videos on building small but powerful businesses.